Hey friends, I wanted to come on and make a quick little video just in case anybody's confused about how to enter the quarterly challenge. And I'm going to do this from the perspective of someone who's on a free plan. So if you create an account inside the Mind the Gap community and you don't pay for a plan to access all of the community perks, or you don't have access due to you have done a training in the past, or you're already my bookkeeping client, etc. If you are a free member and you don't pay me any money, that's totally fine. You can still enter to win a free training on QuickBooks Online with me. So when you log into the Mighty Networks platform, you are going to land automatically inside the live Q&A archive. This is a public space. Anybody can create an account and see all of the live Q&As that I've done in the past, since I started the community in 2024. So in order to enter to win a free training on QuickBooks Online with me, for the current quarter that we're in, you're going to go to the live Q&A videos for the current quarter. So as of right now, I am in quarter one of 2025. I'm recording this at the very end of March of 2025. So next week, I will be drawing names for the quarterly challenge for someone to win a free training on QuickBooks Online with me. The way that you enter is you're going to come to the videos here inside the current quarter. Now, if you are leaving a comment on a prior quarter, maybe from a previous year, that is not going to get you an entry. The comments that you leave have to be made during the same quarter in order to be considered an entry to win the training that quarter. Okay, so just for example, I am in quarter one of 2025 as of the time I'm filming this. And if you're watching this in quarter one of 2025, you can click on the January and February live Q&A videos. And when you do that, you will see the pop-up where you can watch the live Q&A that I did. And you scroll all the way down. And this is where you're going to leave a comment on the January 2025 live Q&A. So you're going to click in this little field down here, write me a comment letting me know that you watched the video or what you learned from the video, or leaving a question. Any comment, even if you just want to say hi, will get you an entry to win the training on QuickBooks Online with me. Your comment needs to be made during the same quarter. I will not allow entries for comments that were made on previous quarters. We're always just going to be looking at the current quarter to pull from the entries, okay? So leave me a comment on the January 2025 video. And once you leave your comment, you can just click right up here where it says go to the next lesson, which is February 2025. And I do put in a little bit of information about what's inside the live Q&A, like what kind of questions I covered. And again, scroll all the way down to leave a comment. So you leave a comment, it's one comment per live Q&A will get you an entry. You can't leave 5 comments on the same video and get 5 entries, okay? 1 entry per person per live Q&A video. So I hope that helps. You can also, in the live Q&A archive space, click over here to the Q&A chat, and you can send a message in here, introducing yourself, asking a question, sending a GIF, whatever you want to do. That will get you an entry as well. And again, this is only for current quarter entries, okay? So I'm not going to count your entry for the second quarter when you made it during the first quarter, if that makes sense. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. You can reply to any email from me. You can see all of the ways to enter the quarterly challenge here. And then members who are on a paid or lifetime plan can click over here to where the monthly tutorials are or the virtual office hours are. You can leave a comment or on a monthly Shit You Should Know video, you can leave a post inside of that space. And for the future, you can join a virtual office hour with me, which are hosted on Zoom. And if you attend the virtual office hours during the quarter, that also gets you 1 entry to win the training on QuickBooks Online with me. So there's a bunch of ways to enter, and it involves you being active and engaged in the community. So don't think too hard about it. Just get in here, make some comments, make some posts, and I will tally up the entries for everybody based on the system that I've created, and then I will use a random picker to pick one winner. I will not be choosing the winner. Everybody's entries are going to be weighted equally. Okay, so I will pick from the entries at random. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see y'all soon.